All right. It's everybody's favorite Uncle Buddy, also known as the Sky Pirate. All right. I was told about the cement plant out at Camp Horizon. Well, I didn't realize that thing was going to be so hard to find. It took me a while flying around out there to finally find it. You can see why. Anyway, went out there, got that video, and then I ended up going out by the boat ramp and was able to catch a little bit of a grass fire that was going on south of town there, just south of Madison Avenue. So I got put that in this video too. Everybody enjoy, and we'll talk to you later. Have a good day. Bye.
Boy.